view. Sloth can refer to different concepts depending on the context. Here are the primary meanings. 1. Animal. In a biological context, a sloth is a slow-moving tree-dwelling mammal found primarily in Central and South America. Sloths are known for their relaxed lifestyle, spending most of their time hanging from tree branches and moving very slowly. They have a low metabolic rate and a diet that primarily consists of leaves. 2. Laziness or apathy. In a more metaphorical or moral context, sloth is one of the 7 deadly sins in Christian theology. It refers to a lack of effort, laziness, or a failure to act. This form of sloth is seen as a disinterest in one's responsibilities, duties, or spiritual life. It encompasses not only physical laziness, but also emotional and spiritual apathy. 3. Slothfulness. This term is often used interchangeably with laziness and refers to a general unwillingness to work or exert effort. It can apply to various aspects of life, including work, personal goals, and relationships. Lifespan. Wild versus captivity. In the wild, sloths live around 20 to 30 years, while in captivity, with proper care, they can live up to 40 years. Factors affecting lifespan, predation, habitat loss, and environmental changes can impact their lifespan in the wild. Age and growth. Growth stages. Sloths go through several growth stages. Young sloths are born with their eyes closed and are dependent on their mothers for several months. Physical development. They start to develop their characteristic long limbs and claws as they grow, which are essential for their arboreal lifestyle. Habitat. Range. Sloths are primarily found in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Costa Rica. They thrive in humid, tropical rainforests. Tree preference. They prefer trees with abundant foliage, such as the kapok, rubber, and fig trees, which provide both food and shelter. Reproduction. Mating rituals. Male sloths may engage in vocalizations and physical displays to attract females during the breeding season. Parental care. After giving birth, mothers will help their young learn how to climb and find food, which is crucial for their survival. Unique traits. Diet. Sloths are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. Their slow digestion process allows them to extract nutrients from tough plant materials. Symbiotic relationships. The algae that grow in their fur is not just for camouflage. It also serves as a food source for some sloth species. Behavior. Activity. Sloths are mostly nocturnal and spend about 15 to 20 hours daily resting and sleeping. Locomotion. They're excellent swimmers, often more agile in water than on land. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Types of sloths. Two-toed sloths. There are 2 species of two-toed sloths, known for their longer limbs and claws. Three-toed sloths. This group includes several species and is characterized by a slightly smaller size and different fur coloration. Conservation status. Threats. Habitat destruction, climate change, and poaching are significant threats to sloth populations. Some species, like the pygmy three-toed sloth, are critically endangered. Conservation efforts. Various organizations are working on habitat preservation, rehabilitation, and education about sloth conservation. Sloths are remarkable animals with unique adaptations that make them well suited to their environments. Analyzing the characteristics and ecological significance of sloths reveals several fascinating insights into their biology, behavior, and the challenges they face. Here is a detailed analysis. Biological and ecological adaptations. 1. Metabolism and diet. Slow metabolism. Sloths have adapted to a low-energy diet primarily consisting of leaves, which are tough to digest. Their slow metabolism allows them to survive on this diet, requiring minimal energy expenditure. Digestive system. They possess a specialized, multi-chambered stomach that helps in breaking down cellulose-rich plant material over an extended period, sometimes taking weeks. 2. Physical adaptations. Limbs and claws. Their long limbs and curved claws are perfectly designed for hanging and moving slowly among tree branches, helping them avoid predators and conserve energy. Camouflage. The green algae that grow in their fur provides excellent camouflage, blending them into the canopy of trees, which helps protect them from predators like jaguars and eagles. 3. Reproductive strategies. Low reproductive rate. The infrequency of reproduction means that sloths have a high investment in each offspring, ensuring they are well protected and nurtured during their early development. Maternal care. The long period of maternal care ensures that young sloths learn essential survival skills, such as climbing and foraging. Behavioral insights. 1. Activity patterns. Nocturnal lifestyle. Their nocturnal behavior reduces the risk of predation and allows them to utilize cooler nighttime temperatures, which is vital in their hot, humid habitats. Energy conservation. By moving slowly and resting for extended periods, sloths minimize energy expenditure, which is crucial given their low-calorie diet. 2. Social structure. Solitary nature. Sloths typically lead solitary lives, which reduces competition for food and resources in their dense forest habitats. Social interactions are mainly limited to mating and maternal care. Conservation challenges. 1. Habitat loss. Deforestation, for agriculture, logging, and urban development poses the greatest threat to sloths. As their habitats shrink and become fragmented, sloths are forced to traverse dangerous ground levels, increasing their vulnerability to predators and human activities. 2. Climate change. Climate change can alter their habitats, affecting food availability and tree health. Changes in rainfall patterns and temperature can disrupt the delicate balance of their ecosystems. 3. Human interaction. Increased human encroachment leads to road traffic accidents, poaching, and illegal pet trade, further threatening sloth populations. Conservation efforts. 1. Habitat protection. Initiatives aimed at preserving rainforests and creating wildlife corridors are essential to ensure sloths can migrate safely between areas to find food and mates. 2. Public awareness. Education about the importance of sloths in the ecosystem and the threats they face is crucial for fostering conservation efforts and reducing human impact. 3. Rehabilitation programs. Wildlife rehabilitation programs are essential for rescuing injured or orphaned sloths and reintroducing them into the wild.